Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new episode at Rescoli by Carlo. Hello YouTubers who have started following us this period of time, and all of you Rescolians who are eager to see what we come up to from time to time. And today is a special episode. It is an episode in collaboration with Il-Mazza L-Inkwina. Hello Kurt. Well, this is your video here, and basically what's a collaboration video? Mainly we are asking crafters and artists who would want to have that little bit of twist in their art through our own art. So we're collaborating both artistically and through YouTube, and that way you can see and purchase these artworks through us or through our collaborators. And today we are collaborating with Il-Mazza L-Inkwina. What does it mean? Well, basically these are two tools, old tools that were used to work wrought iron. These two pieces here, this green one and this red one, are artworks from Il-Mazza L-Inkwina. You can click on the Facebook link below this video where you can see and purchase their works. They are replicas of wrought iron works which the Maltese are very famous for. Well, we have inherited this through conquerors that used to rule our country before 1964, and now it's a staple of our aesthetic culture. So what do we have here? Kurt from Il-Mazza L-Inkwina offered us these three pieces of artwork, and basically we decided to updo them a little bit from monochrome, from black and white, to colored versions. What did we do? We were inspired by buildings in our capital city, which is Valletta. So the first one here is called Ferreria. Basically it is the first building on your left when you enter the city gate, which is an Art Deco style, but has all its front apertures, doors, windows, balconies, etc. in green. So we used green colors and the stone color at the back because the building is in stone, obviously. And we decided to give it that look. So this is called Ferreria. This one on this side, the red one, is called Victoria. Basically from the second entrance to our city, which is from Victoria Gate, and you start going up the stairs, you find this long building all in red. And it's next to the bridge, the wooden bridge you can see when entering from this second door. And this one, this is going to be in blues. Why in blue? And why we have called it Barbara. It's called Barbara because on St. Barbara bastions there's quite a few buildings that now have blue apertures, and they are basically intrinsically part of these bastions nowadays. So they all have wrought ironwork in them. Ferreria has black wrought ironwork, so we left it in black. The red one, which is Victoria, the wrought iron is white, so we left them in white, and the blues we leave them as is. Now I'll show you a little bit of our work, of our paintwork, well, actually while we are painting, and then we hit the streets of Valletta. So keep on following us, subscribe. This is a new and exciting way of doing our YouTube episodes. Keep on following us and enjoy every little bit of it. Thank you. And now let's close the shop. And after you've seen us doing these frames, now it's time to hit the streets of Valletta so that I can show you from where our inspiration came from. Let's hit the road.